So students, last videos I have completed up to question number 7. Now I will start question number 8. Here question number 8 is given. Refer to question number 2 of exercise 14.2. What is the empirical probability that an engineer lives less than 7 km, then number 2 more than or equal to 7 km within half kilometer? Now we have to find the question. It is in page number 245. Question number 2. Here the distance in kilometer of 40 engineers, mean total is 40. Total is 40. Then here we have to find that the less than 7 km. So if we find that less than 7 km, okay, means up to 6 if we count, then here we will get that is that 9 engineers, okay, their distance will get less than 7. So that here number 8, then we will start this way. Number 8, that total number of engineers is that 40. The number 1p less than 7 km. Okay, in short, less than 7 km. So total is 40, and if we count here less than 7 means 1 to 6, then we will get here 9 engineers, the distance from the places of work. Then number 2, here given that more than or equal to 7, b more than or equal to 7. Okay, if it is less than 7, then remaining all are that equal to or more than 7. Okay, then it is clear that total is 49 here gone, that 31 by 40. Okay, 31 by 40. So is the answer. The number 3 here given that within half kilometer from her places of work. If we see the data here, minimum distance is given 2 km. Minimum distance is 2 km. So half kilometer is not there. Then it is called that impossible event. The data is not there. So that here then number 3 p within half kilometer. So no data means 0. 0 by 40. So answer is 0. Because this is one example of that impossible event where the data is not present, data is not available. Okay, the minimum distance is 2 and they are given within half kilometer. So 0 number of engineers that data. So it is the answer is 0. So that number 8 is finished. Here you see, if you see that exercise number 9 and 10, these two math are given that activities based, and this two math is not given for exam. But whatever this activity you will try, okay, at home or school, okay, with your classmate. So then number 9 and 10 will not come in exam. That this activity you can do, okay, you can perform with your classmate. Now number 11 here given that 11 bags of wheat flour, each marked 5 kg, actually contain the following weights of flour, but in packet is written that 5 kg. But when it is measured but done packeting time at that time, okay, and weight after that we measured, but we not got that exactly 5 kg. In packet it is written 5 kg, but when actually measured, we not got that 5 kg. Some packet are found that it is less than 5 kg. Some few packet we got exactly 5 kg, and some packet we got more than 5 kg. Then here given, find the probability that any of these bags are then at random contains more than 5 kg. More than 5 kg, how many packet are there? That we have to find the probability. Here one probability, but we can find more also. It can give that exactly 5 kg. It can give that less than 5 kg also. So we can make the question, but here it is given that more than 5 kg. But total how many bags? 11. That is total. So number 11. Number 11 total is 11. Okay, then P more than 5 kg. More than 5 kg. Now it is total is 11. Now we will count more than 5 kg. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 7 bags we got more than 5 kg. So 7 by 11. Okay, this is the answer. Here only one, but I said that we can make the question also. It is given that exactly 5 kg. We have to count it exactly how many 5 kg is there. If it is given less than 5 kg, then also that data is there. We have to find, we have to give the answer according to that. So number 11 is finished. Here only one math I am giving you homework. That is question number 12. You will try the same. Okay, question number 12 is homework. Then last question of this exercise or of this chapter, number 13. Question number 13 here given in exercise in question number 1, exercise 14.2. Okay, you are asked to prepare a frequency distribution table regarding the blood group of 30 students of class. Use this table to determine the probability that a student of this class selected at random has blood group AB. So that we have to go that exercise 14.2 and so it is page number 245, question number 1. Here total is given that 30 students of class 8. So total is 30 and then the blood group how many? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 students have the blood group AB. Okay, here given AB, it can give with O also, it can give with B also, A also. Okay, different type of question we can make it, but here given only one question. So here that's number 13 total. Total is given 30. Okay, then B, blood group AB. Means probability of the students have the blood group AB is equal to, here it is clearly 3. So 3 by 30 and the answer is 1 by 10. So this is answer. Okay, it can give about the blood group A also, B also, O also. But here is only given that AB. Okay, but we can make so many questions here. So that students, this is the last question of this exercise 15.1. Even the chapter 15 have only one exercise 15.1. So your total course is finished. So for this chapter will not be in PT2 course. This will be in PT3. Already you have got the PT2 course. So practice first exercise and example from the textbook, and the similar problems you can practice from the sample paper also or the reference book also. Is that clear? So today this much.